Everyone knows how big an elephant is. It's not an argument. Elephants are gigantic. Now imagine a bird so big that it can carry an elephant in its talons. Meet the rock. Not this one, the rock. This creature is from the popular story 1001 Nights, captivating the imaginations of sailors. Now, they say this bird dwells on an isolated island, and wherever you see it, it's most likely guarding a treasure. In the Arabic folklore, it was a menace. It was a wonder that people were like, "Oh my god, how can a bird be this big?" But it was a menace. It caused trouble everywhere. Even Marco Polo spoke of this bird during his travels. He says this is a bird that can carry whales. Whales. Everybody knows how big